Okay, so what we're going to do here is we are going to rotate this particular shape, and we're going to rotate it, let's say, from a given coordinate. Okay, so let's say, for example, we're going to rotate it, I don't know, let's say clockwise about, and we'll put a coordinate down, let's say -1, 1. Nice and easy. Okay, so the first step is to plot the center of rotation. So the center of rotation is at -1, 1. So -1 is here and 1 is here. So here is going to be the center of rotation. Okay, so what we can do is there are lots of methods to do these kinds of problems. I'm going to use tracing paper. One of the ways that I would suggest that you use tracing paper when you're doing rotations, take your tracing paper, put it over the axis, and draw your own axis first on the tracing paper. So it doesn't take long. Like this. Okay, draw that. One. And then the second one here. Okay, so this is going to be really helpful when it comes time to do your rotations. So that's smack bang on. Then I forget about this particular set of axes there. I pretend it's not even there. What I do pretend is that this one is the new 0, 0. And I put the center of my new axes on that point and just line it up as perfectly as I can. So the next step is I am going to plot each of these points here. So this is B. This up here is going to be A. Right, and this one down here. And that is point C. Okay, so I said that I need to rotate clockwise. So I'm going to be going that way. So basically, if I keep an eye on this particular axis here, once it gets to this point, so I want to put a little marker here, once it gets to this point, it has, the whole set of axes has rotated 90 degrees, okay? And I just have to make sure this is my new 0, 0, remember? -1, 1. So I rotate round, rotate round, rotate, 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 until, look, this line right here has to be lined up with this, and I know it's taken a 90 degree, the whole set of axes is taken a 90 degree turn. I'm just lining up all these lines so that they're smack bang on the grid underneath the tracing paper. Now you can see here that I've got C, B, and A. And what I like to do is just record the coordinates. So this here is going to be on this original axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4, 5. B, okay, I go back to the original axis. It's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's 2, 2. Right? And C is 0, 1, 2. 0, 2. Now, these are not the coordinates of ABC. ABC, that's the triangle over here. This is going to be the image of ABC, so I call them A dash, B dash, and C dash. Now that I've recorded these coordinates, I don't have to do this thing of looking under, putting a mark, looking under, putting a mark, which you can do. I mean, there's no harm in that, especially for a simple shape like a triangle. But then, this could move and everything. So you could decide, okay, here's A. If I take that away, that's going to be there. So this is going to be A dash. I could take it away, it's going to be B dash. But I could equally just go like this. So A dash is going to be 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B dash is going to be 1, 2, 1, 2. So B dash is going to be here. And C dash is 0, 2, which is here. Okay. So this is going to be A dash. All I do now is draw the image. So image of the original shape, which is triangle ABC. The image of triangle ABC is triangle A dash, B dash, C dash. So I'm just going to draw that triangle now. And then once I've got my triangle nicely drawn, I should label it. I want to label it nice and clearly. This was A dash, this was B dash, and this was C dash. And that is that problem complete.